Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix the message problem on the TikTok. So if you are facing any problem related to the message on the TikTok, you can follow the step to resolve that. First of all, open your TikTok mobile application and from the right bottom click on your profile, and after that on the right top click on the three dot icon. Once you will tap on it, now scroll up and go to the report a problem. After that, click on the notification and the message. Now you will see multiple options here. You have to click on the message. After that, choose option or the problem you are facing, and after that I simply select unable to send messages, and after that you have to click on the no, or you can simply click on the still have problem and write your problem here, and you can also attach screenshot from here, and after that click on the report button. And once you will click on the report button, your report will be submit and they will respond you as soon as possible. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.